Hi friends, I'm Max, your buddy for fun facts and cool knowledge. Hello! Today we are going into the world of the largest land animals on Earth, elephants. We will discover their ancient history, habits, character, diet, intelligence, emotions, and family secrets. Let's go! The story of elephants began in Africa tens of millions of years ago. Their ancestors were small, semi-aquatic creatures that lived near rivers and swamps. Over time, they grew larger, adapted to land, and developed the trunks and tusks we know today. The modern form of elephants appeared only a few million years ago. Today, scientists recognize 3 living species: the African savanna elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. African elephants are the largest, while Asian elephants are slightly smaller and differ in the shape of their ears, trunks, and even the way their backs curve. An elephant is a true giant. Males can weigh more than 6 tons and stand over 3 meters tall. Their main tool and weapon is the trunk, a flexible multi-tool made of around 40,000 muscles. It helps them eat, drink, breathe, touch, communicate, and even sense vibrations from the ground. Tusks are not wisdom teeth but enlarged incisors. They grow throughout life and are used to gather food, strip bark from trees, dig for water, and for defense. Sadly, tusks also make elephants a target for poachers. Elephants are herbivorous giants. An adult elephant can eat up to 300 kilograms of plants every single day and drink up to 200 liters of water. Their digestion is not very efficient, so they need huge amounts of food. But this is also their gift to nature. By eating fruits and plants, they spread seeds across wide distances and help forests and grasslands grow. Without elephants, many ecosystems would collapse. They are true engineers of nature, carving paths through dense forests, creating waterholes that other animals use, and maintaining balance in their environment. Elephants are intelligent and social. They live in matriarchal families led by the oldest female. She knows the best routes to food and water and guides the herd through challenges. Males leave the group when they grow up and often form small bachelor groups or live alone. Elephants communicate with trumpeting sounds, rumbling calls, and even infrasound that can travel kilometers through the ground. They show empathy, help injured members, protect calves, play, and even mourn their dead. Their memory is legendary. They can recognize dozens of individuals, remember waterholes for decades, and even pass knowledge across generations. An elephant's pregnancy lasts a record 22 months, the longest of any land mammal. A newborn calf weighs about 100 kilograms, but can stand and walk within an hour after birth. Calves drink milk for several years and learn everything from their mothers and aunts. Females help each other raise the young, increasing their chances of survival. The gap between births is usually 4 to 6 years, which means that every calf is precious for the survival of the species. In the wild, elephants live up to 60 or even 70 years. Adults have almost no natural enemies, except for humans. Young calves may be attacked by lions, hyenas, or crocodiles. But the protection of the herd makes them nearly untouchable. Today, elephants face serious threats: poaching for ivory, loss of habitat due to farming in cities, and conflicts with humans. Climate change and droughts also make survival more difficult, especially for smaller herds. Elephants are emotional creatures. They show joy when greeting each other, grief when losing family members, and curiosity when meeting new things. They use their trunks not only as tools, but also as a way to show affection, touching, hugging, and comforting one another. African and Asian elephants differ in more than size. African savanna elephants have very large ears shaped like the continent of Africa, while forest elephants are smaller and have straighter tusks. Asian elephants usually have smaller ears, and often only one finger at the tip of their trunk instead of two. Elephants shape their world by creating paths through thick jungle, digging waterholes during the dry season, and spreading thousands of seeds. They act as gardeners of the planet. Countless other species depend on them. Without elephants, the landscapes of Africa and Asia would be unrecognizable. Protecting elephants means protecting entire ecosystems. Elephants are amazing giants with kind hearts and an ancient history. They connect the past and the present, nature and humanity. Let's protect them together so that future generations can still see these incredible creatures in the wild. Subscribe to Max the Curious to discover more amazing animals from around the world. Thanks for watching. Let's explore the world together.